Hi, I'm Jared Stewart with Bob Paquette Locksmith, and today this is the third part of our 7-part series about locksmith scammers. And today I want to talk to you about the fact that there is a local nationwide class action lawsuit against Google, Yahoo, and Bing for all the locksmiths in the United States of America. I spoke with the attorney this morning, and he is handling them, and I tell you what, I just came across this court case last night and I am blown, it blows my mind. I am astounded that Google, Yahoo, and Bing are legally allowed to let these scammers on the first page of Google, and you get to click on them and you get to call and they scam you. And that's what happens, folks. I mean, that's what's going on. I mean, do you honestly think that a website called locallocksmithdirectory.com is a real site down here in Austin, Texas? Or local locksmith near you directory? Look, folks, it's not. These guys, I challenge you, right? I'm challenging you on camera, everybody, to just click on one of these ads, call them, right? You're going to get a call center in probably New Jersey. You're going to get one in Minnesota. And if you ask them for their license number, guess what? They're going to refer you to a manager who handles that. Why? Because they don't have that information. They're just a call center. They're probably not even in Texas or in the Austin area, and they're taking the phone calls. But the most interesting thing about this lawsuit is that these scammers are allowed to get away with it, and guess what? Google, Yahoo, and Bing completely disavow all responsibility of it. It's built into the law that these scammers can advertise on Google and all them, and Google won't stop them because they don't even claim responsibility, because the lobbyists for some reason decided to put this in the books. Congress passed it, there's a law, and now the locksmiths nationwide are being scammed. Like, we're being cost lots of money, okay? The only ones profiting are these scammers, right? And next year, or 3 years from now, guess what? It's going to be another company doing the same thing. Until they change this law, we talked about in the previous video what you can do to protect yourself. Call your Congress, call your local attorney, local state attorney, contact everybody, leave them bad reviews. I mean, you can go to, that email address in the last video that I spoke about and just email Google if you see a 10-minute arrival, 15 minutes. But back to the main point, this lawsuit, man, it's pending. It's a class action suit. It's currently in appeals. And I came across this last night when I was thinking about ideas for today's video. And once I read up on it, I was sitting there going, wow, this is legal, right? They're getting away with this legally. The scammers are through the search engines. And that's why I'm coming here to tell you about that. This is going on. It is nationwide, and you got to protect yourself, your wallet, and your family, by reporting these types of activities. And the fact that this is allowed to go on the search engines is just crazy. And I just don't agree with this at all. A lot of local locksmiths are getting hit hard. We do honest work, provide a good service, and then these scammers show up in unmarked cars. Right? They're not even wearing t-shirts. They show up in unmarked cars, with the Slim Jim. Guess what? If they damage your car, who are you going to file a claim with? You're going to get the call center. And it's so rampant that it's just really, it disheartens me for everybody. And that's why Bobcat Locksmith is out here, and we're trying to give you all information to protect yourself, your wallet, and your family from this stuff. I mean, this is, stay away from the scammers, right? And we'll help you do that in the upcoming video. But if you want more information about this class action lawsuit, go to sterlingsky.com. And I'll put the link in the video in the comments section, and you can take a look at it about yourself. The law is defined in the lawsuit. The class action lawsuit, the opponents are in there, and they tell you, what it is they're doing, what's going on, why is this happening. And everybody, just please choose a local licensed locksmith, right? You're going to get better service. You're going to save money. If there's any dispute that arrives, they're going to handle it. These outsourced companies with call centers in New Jersey or Minnesota, they're not going to be able to help you, you know? So once again, this is Jared Stewart with Bobcat Locksmith, and I'm here today to tell you about the class action lawsuit from locksmith companies against the scammers going after the search engines, right? And I'll put the comment and link below, and we want to tell you that this is really rampant and that we're doing our best to fight this every single day out here in Austin, Texas. Thank you.